In this video, I will show you how to increase your system sound and how to use your microphone as a speaker. First, you have to go to large icon, then you can see a sound icon. Click on the icon, then select speaker, then go to the properties, click on the properties. Here you can see general tab, go to the level tab, and you can see realtek SD audio output is 63. Increase the sound level and click OK. Then you have to go to recording tab. Here I have inserted a microphone in my computer. Click on the microphone, then you will be able to see properties is enable. Click on the properties, then press level, increase the level 63 to 100, then click OK. And make sure you check mark mute all other sound. Finally click OK. Now you will be able to show your sound is boosting, and this is my video how to boost your sound. Please subscribe our channel for other video. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.